So we're going to take a look at row 1 of the border of the Thundercloud Kisses shawl by Truly Myrtle, and I'm going to show you how that's worked. So we start with our knit 1, knit front back, now this is where our repeat starts. So we start with knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Now next instruction is pass second stitch over knit 1 7 times, just like you're binding off. So second stitch, pass over, knit 1. So it's once, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So you can count those down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So that's what it'll look like on the needles there. You cast off 7 stitches in the middle of the row. And we start the repeat again with knit 3, 1, 2, 3. And we pass our second stitch, stitch number 1, 2, over, and knit 1. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So you'll have 3 stitches between each cast off of 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And you repeat that until you have 3 stitches left. So when you've finished your row, this is what it will look like. You'll have a series of cast off stitches in the middle with 3 stitches in between each set.